This is how many customers we have at Menards East right now during our big snowstorm that ends sometime tomorrow. So, I just have the feeling that we're gonna probably run through customers real fast today. But, yeah, I don't know too much else. I'm only working 5 p.m. to 9 tonight. 4 hours. Yeah, I could have called in and, well, basically had the rest of the day off. But nonetheless, I need the money and all that, so. But like in my YouTube videos, like I said, I'm looking for a brand new job. I'm hoping to get out of Menards by April of this year, and hopefully having a brand new job somewhere else. Like I said in a YouTube video, I applied at Target in Eau Claire, right next to this Menards, and yesterday they sent me an email turning me down. So, like I said, they turned me down for any job that I applied for. Just so, yeah. Yeah. That's what happened today. Was pretty much I just went and bought myself something to eat and, you know, had my dinner here in the car while I'm waiting to punch in to work. But, nonetheless, I'm supposed to be the head cart pusher, but lately they don't treat me like I'm the head cart pusher. They don't treat me like I'm head of anything. So, like I said, they actually treat the guy cart pushers a hell of a lot better than me. I've noticed it. But, yeah. What I'm feeling like was tonight, since we're getting less and less customers here from the way it looks here, I don't think I'm really going to have too much work on my hands to do tonight. So, probably the thing is, I probably could get the garbage and not worry. But right now, I don't know too much, but like I said, it wasn't doing anything when I got here to work until all of a sudden now. But you can kind of tell how it's going. So, like I said, I do think we're gonna wind up, we're not gonna get as much snow as what they're saying, but it's coming down really good. Like I said, I might have to leave for work a lot earlier because I don't know how bad the roads are gonna be. So I might actually be leaving at the same time as my husband, but, like I said, this all would be different if I had a job in Chippewa closer to home for me, because then I really wouldn't have had to fart and worry about this. Because I'll tell you, if work was like in Chippewa Falls instead of Eau Claire, for me, if I didn't have to be to work until 5, I wouldn't have left the apartment until around 4:30 or so, just to get to work. I wouldn't have to worry about all this bad weather, and I'd be getting home a hell of a lot safer. Yeah. Whereas right now, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking to myself, a lot of these customers are going to leave before 6. I think it's going to be really dead about 7 to 9. That's my figure. And why I'm afraid of coming to work a lot is I'm afraid that they're going to fire me one of these days. Or just let me out the door. So, let's see here. This will tell you how much snow we got. We got, like, right now, less than an inch. So, it just tells you how the storm is. But, yeah. Yeah. So, the other thing I don't want to tell people is, even with tomorrow I work 10 to 4, so, I don't know too much with that, but, yeah, so, there's a little humor in this all is, like with some customers, they'll leave the carts on the edge there where they're not supposed to, or they'll leave them loose and not in a corral. Or they'll go put them in the Target cart corrals where they don't belong. Yeah, and then we have to do that mess of fixing. And like what customers don't realize, if they take a Target shopping cart, they go all the way to Menards with it and they leave it at Menards. We have to take that cart out of Menards and put it in a Target cart corral and leave it there. Just leaving it there, basically. So, as you can see, we gotta do all that and just kind of leave it there. And sometimes we have customers that'll leave the carts way out, far away. So, yeah, it's just a bit of a thing to show. But, yeah. Yeah, so, like I said, there's just gonna be a lot of things. Like I said, I just had the feeling when I do get a different job somewhere else, Menards is probably gonna try to, like I said, they'll try talking me out of it. I'm not gonna stay out of that, because like I said, I think this time, once I do find a new job, I'm just going to stay with going to them and stay away from Menards. Because like I said, I don't want to go back to Menards once I get a new job. Just so people are aware, like I said, when places treat you really bad, I just have the feeling that this Menards is gonna be almost out of cashiers by May.